Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a simple hair tutorial. It's for those persons that you had your box braids for a while, or you had your hair in braids for a while and it's really looking ramble. So today I have some interesting hairstyles that you can do, which are very simple and easy if you're a working person or you have a little date or something, an occasion to go to, and you don't know what to do with your box braids or you don't know what to do with your braids because you don't have time to redo them or to get a new hairstyle. So here I have my hair in some small braids, well, medium sized braids. What I'm doing now is I'm plaiting the back of the braids, go down, right? You see me plaiting down, and I'm going to plait until I reach to the bottom. What I did was I plait the hair at the back, and now I'm going to do the front. Now I'm going to plait the front, come up from the sides of where your hair is to the other side. I really like this hairstyle. I think that is really unique, and I'm going to do an inside corner of the hair. So I'm plaiting, taking my time because it's kind of awkward. I am a left-hander, so sometimes it be a little bit difficult to plait my hair, but I try my best to do it as neat as possible. So here I am going in and out with the hair, 3 strands, and I go in and out. I take the piece to the middle. You have to, it's a technique that you have to really learn. It takes time to plait hair or to learn how to braid. It takes time, right? So here I am plaiting it up, going down to the side. Well, my hands are hurting me at this point. It's really a lot of work, and you can see that my braids are really, rample at this point. My hair needs to, I need to loose them very soon. So at this point I'm finished with the back, and I'm also was successful to finish the front as well. So now I'm taking that front piece of hair and I'm going to wrap it around the piece at the back. The good thing about these hairstyles, you have to use no hair accessories. You just have to use the hair itself, the braids itself, and wrap it around the back, the one at the back. So then you're gonna have a really long ponytail, and it's really a beautiful hairstyle, really a unique hairstyle, and I love this hairstyle very much. I think that it can be a trend. You can say that it's a stylish hairstyle, a modern hairstyle. I really like it. I think that it helps your hair. The hair is ramble already, so it helps it to look better. So now I'm using a little gel, eco styling gel, to kind of brush up the edges because the hair is really ramble at this point. Right, so you do that, make it look a bit neat, right? Just a little, right? So now guys, I am putting on a little bit of the Sasha makeup, the powder, face powder on my face, because I don't really like to use makeup all the time, so I just use a little bit of my face powder, a little, with my brush, and that's it. I add a little bit of lipstick, and that's it. Sometimes a little goes a long way, and simple sometimes it's better to be simple than always be a face full of makeup all the time. So I go simple and easy with the makeup, and then I use some of my clean color lipstick, the red. I really love this color. My lips are big, but I love this shade of red, and I use a little of it as well, to bring up my face, to make me look a little bit more beautiful than I'm looking right now. Right, so I use a little of that, not too much, and that's it guys. Simple and easy, like the breeze, or the wind that's blowing. Very easy to do. So this is the finished look. This is how lovely it looks. Very simple hairstyle, but very beautiful, right? Let's go on. So let's go. This is hairstyle number 2 guys. So here I'm going to be doing an up to. So I'm going to take a long piece of hair at the back, and I'm going to use that to secure the hair, the entire head of hair. So I'm going to wrap it around until I come nearly to the end, and then I'm going to take that piece of hair and I'm going to secure all the braids, right, by tucking it in. Guys, this is very simple and easy, and anyone can do this without using any hair accessories. Simple and easy, saves you time. This is a finished look guys. So here we go to the final one. And this one I'm going to be doing an inside cornrow on both sides of my head, starting with that side, and then I'm going to do the other side. It's a bit, inside cornrow is a bit, it's not difficult, but it's, you know I was one day try to figure out a way so I can teach you guys how to do it, but for now, so now I'm just going to show you the hairstyle. So now I'm going to be plaiting down the hair, plaiting down to the end of the hair, and then I'm going to do the other side as well. So now I move to the other side of my head and I do the same thing that I did to this side. So I'm trying to gather the hair a bit, try to make it look neat as possible, because my hair is really ramble and I really can't, there are times when you just can't unplait the hair at a certain time, so you try to see how much you can get out of it for another week or 2 weeks if you're working or you're busy. So this is basically what I'm trying to do here. So I plait down to the end as well, here as well, all right, until I reach to the end as the other side. Here I look like a billy goat. But see what, that's all to get the hairstyle. So then I gather the hair at the back. As I said before, no hair accessories. You don't need any hair accessories to do these hairstyles, and that's what makes it so easy and simple, and anyone can do it. So then I'm gonna plait, separate the hair in two, and then I'm gonna plait one side, and then I'm going to do the other side. So this one is basically a 3-strand plait, singles, 3-strand singles, simple and easy. So I'm going to plait down the hair until I reach the end, and guys, you do the other side, and that's it. This is the last hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.